So right now we have an item class. And we have a variety of other classes that are inheriting from it. So we have a gun item, we have a chair item, and we have a potion item. And all of these inherit. That means that because inside of item we have two abstract members, we have use and display, and both of these are abstract and public. Because of that, all of these classes also have to inherit or define these two abstract methods. So we also have to provide a use implementation here, a display implementation here. In chair, we have to provide a use and a display. And in potion, we have to provide a use and a display. So what happens at runtime is, Nato, do you understand why it's useful, at least for us to have line 100 here, where we have an inventory, and the actual stuff inside of the inventory isn't known ahead of time? It's just a generic list of items? Okay. Well, the way that this works is that because we have a list of items, we can store guns in there. We can store potions. So let's say potion 1, gun 1, and we can store chairs. Each one of these things are objects inside of items, and each one of these things, actually, let's give these things better names. Let's call, let's call this a AR-15, an AK-47, a computer chair. And a health potion.
Iron Soul, no, they're inside of items.
You what?
Iron Soul said, now you tell me they're inside of item. No, they're inside of items.
Actually, that's a bad name for that. I should call this inventory.